going on, guys? This is Kyle from GuideWise. In this video, I will show you how to create a landing page in GoHighLevel. In the left column, scroll down to Sites and then click Funnels. In the right corner, select New Funnel. You can start from blank, build with AI, or from templates. So we will use a template. Once you find a template you like, simply select Choose. So I have used a template. If I would like to make any changes, I can simply select it and then delete. Or if I would like to add anything in the left corner, I can select Add Element and then simply select what I would like and then drag it onto my screen. Once you have completed your landing page, in the top right corner, select Publish. If this video helped, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to GuideWise. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.